It's your boy Justin Too Fast, back in with another quick video. So for today's video is gonna be another addition to my car. What I have for you guys is for like the replacement symbol on the front and back of your car. So what I have is the Japanese characters for Toyota. It's gonna be really easy to attach because there is already 3M tape from the place where I bought it, and it is some solid metal, so it's definitely gonna stay for a while. So you know. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're gonna add this to the front now. We're just gonna peel off the back, and then we're just gonna push on top of the Toyota symbol. Should be really easy. This is what it looks like. Honestly, I'm a little worried that this might come off because this is like there's like a little gap here, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, time to do the back. Hi, sorry guys, really couldn't do much commentary in the when I was putting it on the back because there was a neighbor that was parked outside playing music really loud, so really couldn't really talk over that. But let me know what you guys think about the new product. On the front, in my opinion, it worked really well because it was a flat surface. On the back side though, when I was trying to put it on, I did put some black overlays previously, so I thought there might be some complications, and I was kind of right because it didn't really stick too well, so I really had to press on it for a while. So I'm just hoping it lasts for a really long time. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, but you know, it is your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Height, deuces.